Here we have to find the intervals on which the function is increasing or decreasing for this given function. We also need to find local max and minima. So to start with, the step 1 is to find the first derivative of the given function. What is the first derivative? We can use the power rule here, 6x squared minus 30x plus 24. The second step is to find critical points. To find critical points are where f prime x is either 0 or f prime x does not exist. Now in this case, f prime x is a polynomial. It exists everywhere, so does not exist really doesn't need to be checked. So the critical points are where f prime x is 0. So that means 6x squared minus 30x plus 24 equal to 0. That's a quadratic equation, so factor 6 out. X squared minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. Quadratic, so you can make it two factors. X minus 4, x minus 1 equal to 0. So x will be either 4 or 1. So these are my critical points. Step 2 is done. Step 3 is the sign chart. Step 1, find f prime x. Step 2, critical points. Step 3 is sign chart. For sign chart, what you need to do is you need to draw your critical points on the number line. So your number line, two critical points, 1 and 4. Okay. Now you need to find your test points. In these two critical points, divide your number line into 3 portions. You need to find your test points in these 3 portions. So anything before 1, I think pick an easy one, 0. Anything between 1 and 4, let's pick 2. Anything after 4, let's pick 5. At these critical points, 0, 2, and 5, I want you to find the value of the function's derivative. Now, not really function's derivative. You see the function's derivative after factoring is this thing, right? I just need the sign of that because I need to draw the sign chart of f prime. The sign chart is for f prime, okay? So, if I put 0 in the derivative, 0 minus 4 is negative, 0 minus 1 is negative, negative times negative is positive. So f prime is positive here. When I put 2, 2 minus 4 is negative and 2 minus 1 is positive. Negative times positive is negative. So here f prime is negative. When I put 5, 5 minus 4 is positive, 5 minus 1 is positive. So positive times positive is positive. This is positive. Okay. So what does that mean for f prime? If f prime is positive, function is increasing. If f prime is negative, function is decreasing. If f prime is positive, function is increasing. So what do we know? So you know how number line is, all the way to the left is negative infinity, all the way to the right is infinity. So f is increasing on interval negative infinity to 1 and from 4 to infinity. F is decreasing on 1 to 4. Okay. So these are the first answer, increasing and decreasing. Secondly, when function's derivative changes sign from positive to negative, so it was going up and then it started to go down. So there is a local maximum at 1. So we're going to say f has local maximum at x is equal to 1. And here the function was going down and starting to go up. Therefore, f has local minimum at 4. So what are we going to write? F has local minimum at x is equal to 4. So they find the local maximum and minimum values. So value can be found by putting it in 1 in the function. So local minimum maximum value would be f of 1 and local minimum value will be f of 4. So that can be easily found. So F1 is 2 times 1 cube minus 15 times 1 square plus 24 times 1 minus 5. That's easy to calculate. That will be local maximum value. And F4 is 2 times 4 cube minus 15 times 4 square plus 24 times 4 minus 5, and find that. Okay, this one will be local min value. This one would be local max value. You can easily put that in calculator and find that.